Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are going to describe 3 pictures. Let's start with picture 1, Family Yoga Time. This picture shows a happy family doing yoga together. There are 4 people in the room. A father, a mother, a son, and a daughter are present. The parents are helping their children. Everyone is smiling and looks relaxed. The father is standing on one leg. He is holding his son's hand gently. The mother is also standing on one leg. She is supporting her daughter carefully. The children are copying their parents. The son is wearing a blue t-shirt. The daughter is wearing a light-colored top. The parents are wearing comfortable clothes. They are barefoot on the mats. The room is bright and spacious. Large glass windows are behind them. Green trees can be seen outside. Sunlight is coming into the room. The light makes the scene warm and calm. There are plants inside the room. The plants make the room look fresh. The family looks healthy and active. They are practicing balance together. The yoga pose needs focus and care. The parents are guiding the children. The children look confident and happy. This activity shows family bonding. They are spending quality time together. Yoga helps them stay fit and calm. The floor is clean and smooth. The mats are colorful and neat. Everyone is standing close to each other. The family looks united and loving. The atmosphere is peaceful. The picture shows a healthy lifestyle. Let's describe picture 2. Family playing football. This picture shows a family playing football together. There are 4 people in the image. A father, a mother, a daughter, and a son are present. They are playing on green grass. The place looks like a park or an open field. The weather seems pleasant and sunny. A football is in the center of the scene. Everyone is trying to kick the ball. The father is standing near the ball. He looks active and happy. The mother is smiling while playing. She is wearing a pink top and jeans. The father is wearing a blue t-shirt. The daughter is wearing a light-colored dress. She is running towards the ball. The son is wearing a striped t-shirt and shorts. He is also running happily. All of them are barefoot or wearing light footwear. The children look excited. The parents are enjoying the game. Trees can be seen in the background. A wooden fence is behind them. The grass looks fresh and green. The family is spending quality time together. The game shows teamwork and fun. Everyone looks relaxed and cheerful. The children are learning through play. Playing together builds strong family bonds. The parents are encouraging their kids. The scene is full of energy. The picture shows a healthy lifestyle. Outdoor games help keep the body fit. The family looks close and loving. The children are laughing and running freely. The parents are actively involved. The atmosphere is joyful and lively. This activity helps reduce stress. The picture reflects happiness and togetherness. It shows the importance of family time. Overall, the picture presents a beautiful moment of family fun. Picture 3. Happy Family Walk. This picture shows a happy family walking together. There are 4 people in the image. A father, a mother, a son, and a daughter are present. They are holding each other's hands. The family is walking on green grass. The place looks like a large park. The weather appears bright and sunny. Everyone is smiling happily. The father is walking on the left side. He is wearing a light blue t-shirt. The mother is walking on the right side. She is wearing a light-colored top. The son is walking next to his father. He is wearing a blue t-shirt. The daughter is walking next to her mother. She is wearing a light blue dress. The children look cheerful and excited. The parents look relaxed and proud. Tall buildings can be seen in the background. A city skyline is visible far away. A big wheel can also be seen in the distance. The grass looks fresh and green. Sunlight is shining across the field. The shadows show it is daytime. The family seems to be enjoying a walk. They are spending quality time together. The children are walking confidently. The parents are guiding them lovingly. The scene feels peaceful and joyful. The picture shows strong family bonding. Walking together promotes good health. Outdoor activities make people happy. The family looks united and close. The environment is clean and open. The picture gives a positive feeling. It shows love and togetherness. The smiles make the scene lively. The city and nature blend beautifully. The moment looks natural and joyful. Overall, the picture shows a happy and healthy family moment. Thanks for watching. For more picture description, like, share, subscribe to the channel.